On this video, I'm going to give you 20 things that you should be disinfecting that you probably haven't thought about. Some of these coming up. Hello Healthinistas, and welcome to my channel 50 something. My name's Bernice. On this channel, I give you fitness, health, and lifestyle for women over 50. So if you're a woman over 50 and this interests you, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, but don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss any time I upload, and come back every week for new videos. All right, so here are my 20 things that I need to give to you that you should be disinfecting. Make sure that you're disinfecting them with disinfecting wipes that are guaranteed, that say that they remove 99.99% of bacteria, viruses, and even TB. Also, if not, you can make a Clorox solution, and the CDC has a mixture that you can do, which is about 4 teaspoons to a quart of water. And so make sure that you're also looking at the manufacturers, what their recommendations are for, some of these things to disinfect. But here's the list. Let's get right into it. Number 1, your doorknobs. You need to be wiping the doorknobs inside and out. Number 2, the side of the door, right? So sometimes we open the doorknob, but then we close it. We put our hands where the side of the door is. And so in some houses, you'll see, if you have kids, you'll see fingerprints, very light fingerprints there. So you should be disinfecting that area. Number 3, toilet handles. We flush it all the time. We should be disinfecting that. Number 4, your dresser knobs. You're constantly opening your dressers, and you could have opened it with dirty hands. So make sure that you are disinfecting that. Number 5, I bet you didn't think about this, credit cards and your IDs. Remember, you've given it to somebody, you've paid something, you don't know what was on their hands, or you've scanned it in these readers. Well, somebody else before you would have scanned it, and who knows what was on their card, right? And we all know the cards are not very clean, so disinfect your credit cards and your IDs. Number 6, your phone, your smartphone. We use it all the time. Our fingers are all over it. You need to be disinfecting that regularly. Number 7, if you have little kids, you want to do baseboards. That's what the experts are recommending. If you have little kids, disinfect your baseboards. Even if you don't have little kids, disinfect your baseboards. Number 8, your microwave door handle and the front of your microwave. And some microwaves don't have handles, so wherever you're opening it, you need to be disinfecting that. Number 9, refrigerator door handles. You need to be cleaning and disinfecting that. Number 10, lamp switches. A lot of times we don't pay any attention. We do the wall switches, but lamp switches get, we tend to forget that. So lamp switches. Number 11, your vacuum cleaner handles. You definitely need to be disinfecting those. Number 12, your steering wheel. How many times have you taken your car to the shop and you come back and it's kind of sticky because somebody else drove your car when they fixed it? And not only that, your hands are dirty. You're driving. When you get home, you get out of the car, you go to the house, you wash your hands, but your steering wheel is still dirty. So disinfect that. Number 13, the blind drawstrings, your blinds drawstrings, they're little knobs that we're always pulling on. You need to disinfect those. Number 14, your washer and dryer knobs. Make sure you take care of that because you could have touched them with dirty hands. Number 15, your medicine cabinet knob. You need to disinfect that. Number 16, remote controls. All of your remote controls, your Alexa, whatever, all of them. You need to disinfect them. Number 17, your faucets. Make sure you're disinfecting your water faucets throughout the house. Number 18, your shower door handle. We forget. It's dirty when we go in, we get clean, but then we come back out, that handle is still dirty, so we need to disinfect that. Number 19, your mailbox. So make sure that if it's a mailbox that it's being opened to put something in, make sure you're cleaning that and disinfecting that. And then finally, number 20 is your keyboard. How many times do we just work on that over and over and over again? Don't think about the germs that are on our keyboards. So go ahead and disinfect that. Now, like this video if you like it, and go ahead and share it because somebody else might not have thought about some of these things that I shared with you. Question, which of these items was surprising to you that you had not thought about? Leave your answer in the comments. I love reading them.